Good morning. We are now on our way to Coron at 3:15 a.m. We'll see if we can check in at around 4 o'clock, hopefully, if Terminal 4 is still open.
Finally go to the islands of Coron. We're really happy, but really tired.
Hey everybody, we have now arrived at our hotel in Corto Del Mar. The flight to Busan Airport from Manila took around maybe 1 hour. From there we had a van that took us to Coron town.
The transport from the airport to the hotel took about 40 minutes. It was a really nice ride, looking at the nature in the morning, seeing the sun go up. When we finally arrived at Corto Del Mar, the hotel that we booked, we were waiting in the lobby for the check-in to the room, and we were actually quite early, but they helped us to check in earlier, so that was really nice. Unfortunately, there was no Wi-Fi in the room, so we needed to go down to the lobby or the restaurant to have Wi-Fi. In the meantime, it was actually quite nice because we spent so much time on our phones anyway, so it was quite relaxing. On the hotel, they had a nice theme going on. It was like wooden pirates things. They had chests in wooden ornaments. We had the breakfast included, and I was trying out the continental breakfast. Wasn't the best, and Ronald was trying out the traditional Filipino breakfast, which was corn silog in Tagalog. That means like it's a heavy breakfast with rice, some beef as well. The rates of the room is about 870 Swedish crowns per night, and that's around 90 euros per night. And we booked the hotel before we came here, so everything was already set. So at the room, it was quite a nice room. It was quite big, and they have like the minibar, but we also had bottled water every morning, so that was included as well. That's nice, so you can take it with you when you're going out on different tours.
It was nice. It was clean. Toilet worked fine. The view from our balcony was actually very stunning. We didn't mind that it was just adjacent to where the locals were, and if anything else, it was very humbling just to observe how the people lived there in Coron. You would actually notice kids were playing outside, the scent of sea breeze because you're so close to the water, or occasional grilled food, and of course karaoke with all the music from the 80s, 90s, love songs. It's amazing. It was a thing that let us know that we were just far from home, but yet it was a sense of belonging. It was truly amazing. It was really nice. katt.
Ja, det luktar mycket. We're on Coron. Explore. Sinigang with pork, with chicken adobo, iced tea, and then we're also gonna get calamares after this.
What's up, everybody? We're here at the Big Mama's restaurant. We are now having our first dinner in Coron, eating outside our hotel. And as you can see here, this one is sinigang, chicken adobo. Here was the calamari. So not bad. Converted roughly to Swedish. We're looking at maybe 50 Swedish crowns. Or 60 Swedish crowns. Maybe even 80. But it's good. Yeah, buddy. Nightlife in Coron. There's still a lot of activity.
Oh, hot dog.
There's a lot of... Hey everybody, 1st of April is coming to an end. We have mostly been around, just taking it easy. Having an early flight kind of took its toll on us. But now we've just eaten one of the best, Filipino food ever. Adobo in sinigang at Big Mama's place. Wow, that was really good. Really good price. I mean, we ate for 3, paid for 1.5, I guess. I mean, it ended up with us paying like 700 pesos or something like that. Now we've also booked a spa for tomorrow, trying to relax, but also we have island tour. Stay tuned.